Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine and you're safe at home. Great. Welcome back to our class. Remember, last we did clothes for us. We did different types of clothes we wear in different types of seasons. Call it the summer season, winter season, rainy season. Remember, in summer season we are wearing cotton clothes. In winter we wear woolen clothes. And in rainy season we use raincoat or an umbrella, right? Yes. So today, let's do the exercise for this chapter, lesson number 3, clothes for us. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Let's see the first question. We wear a dash to school. We wear a dash to school. Yes. What do we wear? A uniform. 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 Number 2. A dash stitches clothes. A dash stitches clothes. Who stitches clothes? Tailor. Tailor. The person who stitches clothes is called a tailor. 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 Number 3. We get dash from plants. We get dash from plants. From where do we get? What do we get from plants? We get cotton from plants. Okay? We get cotton from plants. Number 4. We wear woolen clothes in dash. We wear woolen clothes in dash. When do we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes in winter time. Yes. Now let's try to understand this one by one. Can you see the children wearing a uniform? This is a school uniform. Okay? This is a school uniform. And we wear a uniform when we are going to school. See, who is this person? This is called as a tailor. A tailor stitches cloths. A tailor stitches clothes. Number 3. Yes, which plant is this? This is the cotton plant. This is the plant from where we get cotton. Can you see the cotton? White cotton? Yes, we get cotton from plants. We get cotton from plants. Number 4. Yes, we wear woolen clothes in winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. WOOLLEN. Woolen clothes in winter. Yes. Let's see the next question. Next we are doing write true or false. Write true or false. Now what is true or false? So true means that the statement is correct and false means that the statement is not correct. Yes. Number 1. Cotton clothes keep us warm. Cotton clothes keep us warm. Is it true or false? Is it right or wrong? It is false. It is wrong. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Number 2. We wear raincoat in rainy season. We wear raincoat in rainy season. Is it right or wrong? It is right. It is true. It is true. TRUE, true. We wear raincoat in rainy season. Number 3. We get cotton from animals. We get cotton from animals. Is it right or wrong? Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. It is false. Why? because we get cotton from plants. We get cotton from plants. Yes. Number 4. We wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Is it true or false? It is true. It is right. We wear cotton clothes in summer and we wear woolen clothes in winter. Yes. Number 5. An umbrella protects us from rain. An umbrella protects us from rain. Is it true or false? It is true. We use an umbrella so that we can be dry when we are going somewhere out during the rainy time. Yes? Good. So let's try to understand it. We wear cotton clothes when it is hot. See, can you see in the picture it is hot. So, what type of clothes do we wear? We wear cotton clothes. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton clothes. Because cotton clothes keep us cool. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Yes. Now, can you see the raincoat? We wear raincoat in which season? In rainy season. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy season. We wear raincoat in rainy season. Okay? Yes. Next. This already we have done. We get cotton from plants and not from animals, okay? Cotton is a plant. We get this from plant. Yes. And we wear cotton clothes in summer season. Can you see the different type of cotton clothes? Yes. And why do we wear such type of clothes? So that we can keep ourselves cool, because summer is a hot season. Summer is a hot season. So it's very important to wear cotton clothes. Yes. And the last one is an umbrella protects us from rain. An umbrella protects us from rain. Can you see? Can you see the umbrella? Yes, it's the rainy time, and during the rainy time, an umbrella helps us to keep dry during the rainy season. Yes, and what else do we wear during the rainy season? A raincoat. Yes, raincoat and umbrella both help us during the rainy season. They protect us from the rain. Yes. Very good. So today we have done two topics, kids. First is fill in the blanks and the next one is true and false. Let's read the fill in the blanks once again. Number 1. We wear a uniform to school. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. We wear a uniform to school. Number 2. A tailor stitches clothes. A tailor stitches clothes. T-A-I-L-O-R. A tailor stitches clothes. Number 3. We get cotton from plants. We get cotton from plants. C-O-T-T-O-N. We get cotton from plants. Number 4. We wear woolen clothes in winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. Yes. Can you see the school uniform and the tailor? Don't forget, okay? Then can you see the cotton plant? The beautiful cotton plant? And the kids wearing woolen dress in the winter time? Yes. The second question, write true or false. Number 1, cotton clothes keep us warm. Cotton clothes keep us warm. False. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Number 2. We wear raincoat in rainy season. It's true. We wear raincoat in rainy season. True. Number 3. We get cotton from animals. False. From where do we get cotton? We get cotton from plants. We get cotton from plants. Number 4. We wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. True. This statement is true. Number 5. An umbrella protects us from rain. An umbrella protects us from rain. This is true. This statement is true. Yes. So, cotton clothes keep us cool. And we wear a raincoat in rainy season. Yes. We get cotton from plants and not from animals. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. And what does an umbrella do? An umbrella protects us from rain. An umbrella protects us from rain. Yes. So this is about today's lesson, kids. Till then, don't forget to revise whatever we have done, and we'll meet soon for the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.